1st, Bitcoin is going to zero. Zero. When it comes out, zero.
Hello guys, welcome again, new live stream. So let's talk about Bitcoin. And as you can see here, Bitcoin is still in sideways, but well, last time in the last live stream I said, hey, we are looking for, I'm looking for right sideways here, sideways and pullback. Right now we have the pullback here, testing the MA55, holding the MA55, and in this case I went to 12-hour chart here and I opened a long position in 12-hour chart using this time frame as a trigger. As you can see here, I am in long position around $61,000, almost $62,000, and well, I'm just holding the position because anytime I can just get a stop at here, so it's totally fine. So what I'm watching right now, I'm expecting this week we will see a buy signal very soon here, maybe in a couple days, as long as Bitcoin is above $61,000, and looking for continuation to 70k, 67, 70k. That's the area actually I'm looking for right now, looking for a better divergence in the 1-day chart, something like this. Okay, and here, my friend, here is where actually I will start looking for shorts, potentially, yeah, because Bitcoin is just wasting time, right, as usual. All these years since March, Bitcoin just in sideways here, sideways, but yeah. So right now here we have a 2-day chart. Let me show you. We have very soon we will see a sell signal here, potentially. Yes, volatility is very high, so that's why I am not expecting a massive pump as many people they are expecting. In my case, I don't think so. I told you a long time ago. I am just waiting. I was waiting for a choppy market, right? Like Bitcoin just bouncing very slowly here. And as you can see here, it actually is happening right now. Very slow, quite weak actually. Bitcoin is not moving at all. And here, through the chart, still to the upside, volatility is contracting here, but there is nothing to say here. In this time frame, I will be, well, it's gonna be interesting if I see Bitcoin above $69,000 around there. It will be nice. 70k closing the candle there, it will be nice. Let me show you here weekly chart. Weekly chart, actually we have buy signal here above the weekly chart, sorry, the weekly OBB. That's actually very good. As you can see, we have cancellation here. This is actually very positive here. So the only issue with this is, well, if this month we don't see Bitcoin breaking 70k and closing about there, this is gonna be a very dangerous. Actually, this move is dangerous. And I said many times, what I'm waiting here is something like this, right? New high here, forming a better divergence here. People will start looking for, oh yeah, to the moon, 100k, 200, yeah, you know, all the same thing. People, YouTubers like to say. And here, exactly the same as in 2021, looking for a new high, and after that a massive drop to the downside. So something like this, right? Something like this, maybe in December, something like that, a couple months more, and after that we could see a better variance as well here. Yeah, so that is actually the same thing. I mean, Bitcoin is doing technically nothing here. It's not very attractive right now. But well, as you can see here right now in 4-hour chart, let's talk about 4-hour chart because maybe you want to trade here in short term. The entry, right, was around 4-hour chart. Sorry, around here, around a couple days ago, I think. Yeah, in 4-hour chart, and here is because I guess I didn't open here long position because I was looking for 1-day chart time frames. I don't trade 4-hour chart anymore. I trade minimum 12 right now, 12-hour chart and 1-day chart. And the reason is because, well, 4-hour chart is this market condition is not very good. It's not the best. It's just sideways here, so that's why the moves are very slow. So that's why in my case I am just trading 1-day chart. So right now it's continuation, looking for continuation. Yes, of course, as I said before, I think a 1-day chart, we will see very soon a 1-day chart buy signal here. So looking for 70k, yes, yeah, it's doable actually. Yeah, but remember, the thing here is not this buy signal, is the better divergence. Potentially we will see in 1 week or 2. Yeah, that is something I am waiting right now. So here is the resistance, the last resistance around 70k. Honestly, I'm thinking, looking for new ATA, and I will be very happy to open shorts after we see something like that. So let's talk about the monthly a little bit more, because some people now they are getting bullish. I am I'm very respectful about it, but with the data here showing me after we have a sell signal in the monthly, Bitcoin, the only thing did in the past is just crashing 75%. That is something I don't think that is gonna happen. So that's why, as you can see here, the data is there. I don't have to show you maybe more or something like that. You just watch the price, what happened after the sell signal in the monthly. So it's the same thing, same as 4 years ago. People think, yeah, Bitcoin, this time is a special, this time Elon Musk, this time whatever, right? I don't care. It's always, at least based on the data, right, is there is a very high chance, right, we will see the same thing. So that's why I am not looking for 500k, that kind of things now. So also one more thing. Sorry, let me fix this. Okay. So in the bi-monthly here, remember we have here a gravestone candle here. Here, this one is actually, in many cases, right? In many cases, it's a very strong signal of reversal. This one, yeah. You want to see validation. You want to see this candle, for example, this one fully closing, like this, something like this. Big red green candle here closing, not just at the same level, actually above here, something like this. Very strong, very powerful candle, because it's not enough like this one. You see, we have this candle here, and after that we have this one. Of course, it's not the same pattern. I'm trying to show you like how we can see reversal in bi-monthly. So it's very simple. We need to see a very strong candle here closing not just only above here, it's not actually quite far away from the last high. That is the only way, but as I said before, that is actually that is not gonna happen. There is a very low probability to see something like this. Okay, so right now here Bitcoin is just in sideways here in the top, right in the top, doing something it shouldn't do. I mean, let me explain this, because I have here the halving here. This chart, yeah, sorry, is something I am using internally here. Sorry, the mess here. But the thing here is, like, let me show you here. Bitcoin in the past, right? When we see here, for example, in 2020, here in 2020, Bitcoin actually, before of the halving, because this line here, the dots here, they are the halving here. Sorry. The date of the halving here, sorry, the white lines here, they are. Usually Bitcoin was actually crashing before. In this case, it's opposite. Bitcoin actually was actually, for example, in 2020, Bitcoin was around 8,000, 9,000, yeah, before the halving, and after that pump, a lot, right? Like actually a lot, like from 20k or $9,000 to $60,000. But the thing here is, right now the halving is it was in May, April, May, something like that. Yeah, in April, but the move already happened. So that's the thing. Bitcoin is doing something, like, it's for first time we see this pattern. Now, my concern here is like, well, the momentum for this is not the same. It's different, because the volume here. Maybe I will delete this. I will do it again. But the thing here is, like, as you can see here, the momentum is less and less and less and less and less. And for me here, right, in my humble opinion, right, Of course, it's not financial advice, but Bitcoin finally, after a long time, is getting ready for, in the best scenario, just sideways for a long time. And it's totally normal. It's totally normal because in one asset, when it's getting around 10 years, 12 years, something like that, is getting more stable, less volatility, right? So that's, as you can see, Bitcoin is showing us, Bitcoin actually is doing this, is showing less volatility. So this is a sign of a, this is a sign like finally this asset is well adopted, maybe. Yeah, so because you see in the markets, like when when you see a new altcoin, volatility is super high because people are in FOMO, right? But right now looks like Bitcoin is losing volatility. Now, as you can see here, technically speaking, this move here, yeah, after the halving, was the move from $8,000 or $9,000 to 60K was 500 days. And here we are almost in 50%, almost 50% of the time. Bitcoin must be like super high, right? Around May next year. But the problem is the move. We got the move before. That's the problem. Now let me show you something else. We have the volatility super contracted here. Yeah. So what I'm trying to say here is we have a better variance in the monthly with volatility super contracted here. Technically speaking, it's not good for Bitcoin. Okay, it's not very good. Okay, I don't want to explain targets here because we are talking about monthly here, but you are thinking Bitcoin will hit 1 million in 10 years. I don't know. Honestly, when I was talking with one of my friends about this chart, and we are looking for something like this. Yeah, something like this in the following years. I know maybe this is something you don't want to see, something maybe YouTubers say, no, to the moon, right? To the moon. And after that, buy my course, buy my super indicator. You will be millionaire, right? You will become millionaire, blah, 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 right? Well, in my case, I am trading, so same as you. So that's why it's fine. I am not here to sell you something. Just I'm telling you what I'm doing as a trader. Okay. So the thing here is like, I know this is not a very popular opinion, and maybe I am the only one who is saying these kind of things here, but looks like based on the volume, momentum, and everything, maybe 2025, 2026 is not going to be very good for the market. Okay. So in my case, since 2000, this year, actually, I didn't buy Bitcoin. I am not holding Bitcoin. Actually, I don't have Bitcoin because of this, right? Because of this. Now, technically speaking, right now we have we have a buy signal here. Yes, we have a buy signal here. Technically speaking, is sideways here, and upside, right? Yes, but because there is no volume here, there is no momentum here, and we have a sell signal in the monthly. In the big picture, whatever you see here, right? You see Bitcoin at 70K, 80K, right? It's a sell. That's it. That's it. So as I said before, I am not financial advisor, but you want to buy right now Bitcoin, maybe the target is 80K, is not worth it. Why? Because from here, 64 to $80,000 is around just 20%, 29. And that is actually something I don't want to do. When I buy Bitcoin, is because I want to make 100%, 200, 300%, not just 20%. Okay. That's why in my case, I am a swing trader. Because if I buy, I want to hold, I want to forget it for maybe 6 months, something like that, and just wait for the results. Okay. So this year is, we are right now in October, right? So usually around this time, I will do it in November. I will do it in November. Usually I like to publish a video about my predictions, right? Because it's not a prediction, it's just based on probabilities, but now you can understand maybe how it's gonna be, right? My video. So in this case, what I'm going to do is very simple. I will just keep watching Netflix. Yeah, I will trade in the short term. I am trading in the short term, waiting for the entries. Very slow, but actually, one of the good things is like you need to learn how to trade in sideways market, because remember this: 70% of all the time, the market is gonna be in sideways. Okay, only 30% is gonna be trending. Okay, so as you can see here, since March, Bitcoin is in sideways. So if you don't know how to trade in sideways, you are gonna miss actually a lot of opportunities. That's why we want to see everything here, like something like this. I mean, something like this, right? We want to see something like this all the time, right? But well, this is only 30%. 30%. So you need to understand how to trade this, okay? Because you will find more opportunities in sideways market than actually trading markets. But, of course, you can make explosive profits, right? You can make a lot of profits in trading markets. So that's why people they are like very excited when you see everything is pumping, because they want to make money very fast. But as a trader, you learn how to trade in sideways markets. Trading markets is actually very easy, especially if you are using my system, right? Well, my system is not very easy to understand. Maybe some of you said, oh, yeah, it's very easy. Some of you said, no, it's quite difficult. The thing here is I am a technical trader, so that's why maybe sometimes I apologize sometimes if I am very technical, right? But that is something you need to learn, at least the basic, right? Like how to, what is a trend, resistance, support, right? So that's why I am publishing right now, one time per week as well. Today I'm gonna publish the second video in my Patreon. For all the Patreon supporters, you can access to all the videos, episodes actually, talking about all the indicators, tricks, tips on how to read my system, how to execute a trade, a stop loss, and all the things, all the topics. I'm gonna start posting some episodes in my Patreon. Right now I have like, I posted just one, but the plan is around 60 or until maybe around July next year. 60 topics right now I have in my list. So the idea is like I want to get all the content I've been posting for the last almost 4 years, and make not a course. No. It's just all the summary of everything of my system in a series of like episodes, right? Like everything together there. Maybe for you it's gonna be easier to understand price action, Fibonacci levels, resistance, and everything. But everything very practical, like in real execution, how actually I can do that. Okay, I am actually executing my trades. So I am executing my trades. Okay, so that's why I am trying to be very authentic what I'm telling you, because it's not like a YouTube thing like, yeah, let me show you the resistance support and you can make $1,000 in 1 second. No. It's actually how actually in real life I execute my trades. That's the point. Okay, because I don't consider myself YouTuber. I am just sharing my experience with all of you guys, because you know very well, if you're trading like me, you know this topic. Trading is actually very lonely, right? It's something you cannot talk with people because people will think you're a gambler or something like that, right? Well, many of people, yeah, all the people, yes, they are just gambling in crypto, buying Shiba Inu, right? But not in my case, right? Okay, so that's the point. And thank you for your support. Almost, well, 3.5 years. Next year, 4 years. Wow, it's a lot. And I have just 1,000 subscribers. Perfect. I don't have any issues with that, because I prefer quality than quantity. Thank you for following the channel. Okay, so about Bitcoin. I am very worried about Bitcoin because I am a big fan of Bitcoin and the technology of blockchain. But when I see the charts, this is something is not good. And as I said before, as long as we have monthly with sell signal with various divergence, I am not bullish. I am not bullish. I know the trend is my friend and the trend is to the upside. Yes, the trend is to the upside. But I will tell you something very risky, right? Very risky. But there is a chance. There is a chance. Like maybe this time is gonna be different. Okay, it could be different. How finally Bitcoin breaking the trend? Let's see. Let's see, because there is a good chance. We have a better average in the monthly in OBB and also curve. If you know my system, this is the strongest signal, right? Of actually selling signal. So that's why I'm a little bit worried. Yeah. Of course, worried as fan, like I'm a big fan of blockchain and Bitcoin, but as a technical trader, I'm very happy because of course I will buy. When everything crash, there is a new opportunity always. So that's why my strategy right now, because someone asked me, hey, also, okay, what is your strategy? Well, save, right? Save right now, get ready for the next big buy opportunity. That's it. Yeah, check your finance, try to save as much as you can, right? And get ready for the next big buy opportunity. That's actually something I'm trying to do right now. Okay, so now let's continue with some altcoins. As you can see here, Bitcoin is pumping very slowly, right? If you see altcoins pumping in general, doesn't matter your altcoin, right? But if you see your altcoin pumping, be happy, you're making profits, yes, but please, learn how to take profits, okay? Don't get married with your altcoin, okay? I love Solana. I'm gonna make I want to have a tattoo of Solana here. No, it's just an altcoin, okay? That's all, okay? But the project, but it's a well, but the CEO, no, I don't care. Seriously, right? You're here because you want to learn how to trade. Just please don't be emotional about your altcoin, okay? You buy, you make profits, and that's all. You have a sell signal, just sell it and wait for the next one. That's it, okay? But well, it depends, right? If you want to hold, it's up to you. Remember, I am not financial advisor. You can do whatever you want, right? Okay, so let me show you here. I'm gonna start with the Cardano here. Cardano, because Cardano actually I'm a little bit worried here because I have a couple of friends, people I know, they are holding this thing. It's very simple, very simple. Breaking this yellow green box, 0.25 cents around there, you will see new lows, and actually around same level as 2021. Okay. So I'm doing the same thing here, but my concern here is we have a monthly sell signal here with low volatility. It's very sad because Bitrex, this exchange now is closed. They have the oldest chart of Cardano. So we could talk better about this chart, but well, never mind. So right now here, just remember, if you see Cardano breaking 25 cents, game over. Okay. And now we have in weekly chart, we have a buy signal here, but without volume. So what we can expect sideways, just sideways here. Okay. But you see, maybe by the end of this month, Cardano and also Bitcoin, right, below 70k, you will see Bitcoin below 70k and Cardano or your altcoin in the same range is just sideways and wasting time. Yeah, because maybe that is not the real move. The real move is to the downside. That's the point. Okay. So now let's continue with Ethereum. Ethereum, if you have any comments, just let me know. Let me know, or suggestions, or you want me to see your altcoin, just let me know in the comments, okay? And let's see. Ethereum. Okay. Ethereum, we have a fresh buy signal here. Technically speaking, I cannot be bearish here. We don't have volume, not yet, but well, OBB is above the MI55 here, is good. So this is just consolidation, looking for maybe a pump. Yes, Maximum target should be around 3,500, 300, 200, 300, and that's all. Let me see the monthly here. Monthly, same thing. We have a sell signal in the monthly. We have a buy signal in weekly chart. Which one is more important? Always, higher time frame is more important. So 1 day chart is more important than 1 hour chart. 4 hour chart, yes. 1 hour chart is more important than 4 hour. No, 4 hour chart is more important. So in this case, weekly chart is for 3 months of price action. 3 months, only 3 months weekly chart. Okay, monthly is for 1 year. So if you see a bouncing weekly chart, be happy. Yes, you are making profits. But remember this, only 3 months. What are you gonna do the rest of the months? 9 months left. So it's when you see monthly playing, right? So that's why right now we have a buy signal in weekly chart for at least one more, maybe 2 months, maybe one more, maybe November, I think. And after that, what, right? So that's why I think about this. If you're holding altcoins, I strongly suggest manage your risk. Manage your risk. If you're making profits, be happy and take profits, right? Take profits. That's the point. Making money here, right? Okay, so let's continue. Let's continue with actually. I'm watching Solana because honestly, like around maybe 7 people, 7 guys, they are asking me very often, hey, what do you think about Solana? What do you think about okay? So that's why Solana is something I am watching every time in my live stream, and I'm telling you the same thing. We have a monthly sell signal. What I can tell you, to the moon, no, right? Sideways here, looking for maximum in weekly chart around 200. Maybe if the market is very bullish, I don't think so, but maybe a little bit higher, maybe 220, something like that. But it doesn't matter. If you see a new high for Solana, is gonna be worse because we will see a better divergence in the weekly chart. So that's why I don't know. That's why I don't have altcoins right now. Okay, so now let's continue with Neo. We have a buy signal here. Actually, it's almost over. Maybe this month, and it's in sideways. So this is just wasting time. And the reason is the monthly. The monthly we have a sell signal. Remember? So that's why, if you want to be bullish in weekly chart, you have to see monthly bullish as well. Buy monthly plus buy weekly, very strong signal. Okay. In this case, monthly is the boss right now, right? It's the boss right now. That's why Lycon is not moving, right? In Lycon we have a monthly buy signal. It's very weird, but let's see. It's very old, these altcoins, so I don't trade. This. Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Cash in the monthly we have a sell signal. Well, let me show you here. Monthly sell signal, 1 inch monthly sell signal, Cardano monthly sell signal, Algo sell signal very soon. So that's why I think this year is not gonna be good. Okay, so now let's continue. Let me see the comments. Okay, could you check? Okay, yes, sure, I will do it. Okay, so here we have in KuCoin, I think. Okay, it's not here in KuCoin anymore. Here, I think, yeah, Gary Network. Okay, please tell me your time frame, weekly chart, monthly, 1 day chart next time. Okay, so here this is just garbage. That's it. This is just garbage. I know maybe you say, the project is very good, the CEO is amazing, the community, I don't care. Yeah, that's it. Just show me the chart, I will tell you the news. This is just garbage. Okay, monthly, as you can see, making new lows here. Of course, maybe we'll see an upside. Let me see. Weekly chart, we can say something different. We have a buy signal here, yes, without volume. There is no volume here. Okay, so what I'm expecting right now here, what I can tell you right now, is just sideways here, sideways, and the trend is your friend. If you see one day this thing testing the MI55 here, is a sell opportunity, something like this. You see this thing testing the MI55 is just continuation. The trend is your friend, and that's it. Okay, there is no volume here. And also the monthly, there is no momentum here. There is nothing here. I cannot tell you very much because I don't have more data here, but this is not good. Just turning to the downside, okay? It depends of your plan, but in my case, I will never buy this kind of thing. Sure, Tristan. Thank you for joining. Okay, Gala. Sure. Let's do that. Let's do that. Please specify your time frame and weekly chart. Perfect. Okay. 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 If one day you are coming to Japan, remember I am living in Japan, just let me know in the comments, send me a private message, and maybe we can meet, because actually I'm gonna meet another guy. Last 3 months ago, I think, I met one of the traders. He's from Australia. Very nice guy. Very nice guy. Thank you for supporting the channel. And another guy is coming actually this month, I think. Maybe we can meet. So just let me know in the comments or in my Discord. Maybe I can show you something interesting about Japan. Okay. Okay, monthly is a sell, right? But the good news here, we have a basement, right? If you are bullish here, or you are thinking Gala is a good project, whatever is your reason to buy this thing, you wanna see more sideways, and it's healthy when you see this like foundation, like a basement. You wanna see this basement for long time. You wanna see this thing here without making new lows. That's the point. No lows, just sideways action. So as you can see here, Gala is doing well right now here. Just testing the, actually as investor, not financial advice, but here is the area to buy, right? You don't buy here, you buy here, right? That's the point, right? So let me show you here. We have a buy signal here in the weekly chart, looking for maybe around 0.034. But this is a range, right? This thing is playing a ping pong, right? So this is my this is my red box here. Yeah. So maximum target should be around 0.06 and the lowest point is around 0.01, 0.02. Okay. So because I know Bitcoin is not very good in monthly, I will be careful holding altcoins. Okay. Remember this. Okay. That's it. That's it. If you are thinking to buy this thing for holding, well, you need to make a plan. What is going to happen, or what you are going to do if this thing is starting making new lows, something like this. What are you going to do? Okay. Some people like to buy every time when it's crashing. Some people take loss, a small loss, risk management. In my case, I prefer 10 times, 100 times taking a small loss than just getting wrecked for 1 year and waiting for maybe one day this thing will recover. Okay. Okay. So let's continue. Link. Okay. Link. Okay. Link was a $15. Yes. And I said it's going to drop, right? Yeah. Let me see. Yeah. Good. Last time when I saw this thing was a 15 in weekly chart. Perfect. Okay. Now it's 11. Okay, technically speaking, right now in Link, sorry, we have a buy signal here. I cannot be bearish here, right? Looking for more sideways here. And technically speaking, should be like this, right? It should be like this. I'm not talking about new highs. No, just maybe around maybe 17, maximum 20, and that's all. Why? Because same as Bitcoin, we have what? We have a monthly sell signal. Remember, as long as we have a monthly sell signal in the market, right? Bitcoin and all the altcoins, well, you need to manage your risk. Actually, every time you need to manage your risk. Okay. So, but as you can see here, now in monthly is holding the MI55 here. Actually, it's a good sign, yes, but you want to see this for at least 6 months. Link holding this area for 6 months because we are talking about monthly here. So here in weekly chart, yeah, to the upside, yes, bullish, but this move is gonna be a sell opportunity. That's all. Okay. In one day chart, we have a monthly, a buy. Very soon we will see a buy signal here, and yeah, looking for maybe continuation around 15, 17, around there. Okay. Okay, guys, I think that's all for crypto. I think. Yeah. Okay. Now let's continue with the stock market. The stock market is still bullish. Same thing as 1 week ago. And that's the reason for me it's very hard to be online 2 times per week, because the market is doing nothing. Oh my god, I don't want to repeat myself too much. I did it when I was watching my live streams 2021, 2022. I was saying the same thing every day. I don't know. I didn't like it. Okay, so here we have multiple various divergence in weekly chart. Yes, it's very risky to open longs right now. Of course, yes, but the market is making new highs. So you want to trade, it's risky. You can make profits, yes, but it's very risky. As a trader, no thank you. As a gambler, yes, all in you want, but as a trader, no thank you. Yeah, as a trader, we want to minimize the risk. We want to minimize the risk. Okay, so that's why, no thanks, no thanks. I don't trade this thing. Even if I have to trade this, I will be very careful with my stop loss and risk management. The last buy opportunity when the chart was here in September 12th, around there. And I said, hey, this pullback, just buy the pullback, and that's all. Okay. So here, the same thing. Wait for the pullback, right? Wait for the pullback, wait for the MA55 to hold or something like this, right? And after that, yes. But this is looking for is new highs, I think. Actually, I said long time ago, I am expecting a new high. Now you can see here, new highs, right? Now, as you can see here, we have a monthly versus divergence forming. We are waiting for this signal for a long time, all this year. Maybe in 2025, finally, we will see this signal playing. But for now, at least this year, I am not expecting a big crash, actually. I am not expecting crash. The market is just going to be sideways and bullish, I think, in the stock market, of course. Let's continue with something else. And maybe NVIDIA. Yeah, we can talk about NVIDIA. NVIDIA, okay, the monthly, as I said before, even with still signal here, the volume is amazing. Actually, it's beautiful, the volume, right? So I am not, I mean, this, don't short, that's all, okay? Don't short, because the volume is very healthy, actually, okay? Wait for the pullback, wait for the pullbacks, and that's all. This is sideways right now in one the chart. Let me see the weekly chart. Very soon, very soon, we will see another bounce for NVIDIA, something like this. Okay, maybe this month, something like this. Maybe new ATA, yeah, for NVIDIA. Okay, so let's continue. Let me see. I am very curious about Adidas and also Nike. Someone asked me about Adidas a long time ago, but I forgot. I don't know which one. I never, I don't know. Which one, do you know? Well, let's see Nike first. Nike. As you can see here, here we have here in the monthly here, we have what we have. We have a potential bullish divergence. This one, not financial advice, but we have bullish divergence in OBB and also monthly. So I am not bearish. This is like this. Okay, so I can tell you right now, there is a very high chance this is just a bear trap. Okay, careful here, and also Baba, I got a very nice message a few days ago. One of the followers was saying thank you. No, thank you, because you did it yourself. You executed the trade. Congratulations, my friend. If you are making some good profits, congratulations. Okay, because you did it. I was showing you my system, and you did it. You pressed the button buy. Congratulations. Yeah, I'm very happy for you. Very happy for you. Thank you for your kind words. Also, as you can see here, bullish variance in the monthly. Yeah, this is very bullish. So the entry was around 878, and right now testing the MA55. But remember, I am not financial advisor, but just hold, because this is gonna reverse. I am looking for around $200 in the long term. Yeah, I know maybe I'm very bullish, but bullish variance in the monthly is wonderful. It's something beautiful. Only a couple times every 5 years I can see, because monthly bullish variance is very rare. We have to wait for maybe 5-10 years to see something like that. Yeah, in this case, we have 3 years, something like that. Yeah, so it's amazing. The volume is beautiful here. I am very bullish. If you are here at 70, just hold for maybe 1 year, I think, and you subscribe to my Patreon. I will be very happy you do that. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I'm very happy for you. I'm very, very happy, especially for all of you guys. Like, I know some of you, they are actually learning my trading system, and you are making good profits. I'm very happy for all of you guys. But how can I say this? Just I'm share my experience with you. All the execution, all the profits you are making. I'm very happy, and you must be proud of yourself. Yeah, because you belong to the only one person to actually can be successful in this business. That's actually very good. Okay, guys, I think that's all. That's all for today. Yeah, that's all for today. Yeah. If I see something very interesting, I was thinking to publish some shorts about technical analysis, but they expire very fast. So I was thinking the second option is posting shorts about psychology of trading, something like that, education. I don't know. I'm still struggling trying to find the topic, how I can share more information about trading without publishing memes, right? So please help me. You have an idea. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, and have a good week. Okay.
And when that comes out, you heard it here first. Bitcoin